Hey guys, welcome to another video of my channel. If you want to learn how to highlight text in Adobe Premiere Pro and get something like this, well then you are at the right place, as today I'm going to show you how to highlight text in Adobe Premiere Pro following some simple few steps. Okay, so over here in Adobe Premiere Pro my sequence settings is 1920 x 1080 at 60 fps. And you can see over here that I have already added a paper-like texture as a background. So the very first thing that I'm gonna need is some text. So I'm going to head over to the type tool option, click on it and then type the text that I want. And with some few adjustments, I have brought the text to the center of the screen. Change the color of my text to black and increase the size a little bit so as to make it look bigger and better. Now coming to the real part. For the highlight effect, the first thing that I'm going to need is rectangle over my text. So after making sure that nothing is selected, I'm going to head over to the rectangle tool and draw a rectangle over my text, ensuring that it covers the entirety of my text. Now in order to change the color of the rectangle, I'm going to head over to the Essential Graphics panel and change the fill color of the rectangle graphic to yellow. After that, I'm going to head over to the Effects Control panel and under Opacity, I'm going to change the blend mode of the rectangle from normal to multiply, as doing this makes it transparent. The next step is going to be optional. If you want to make your highlight look realistic, all you have to do is go to the Effects panel and search for Roughen Edges. Drag the effect and put it on the rectangle graphic, then head over to the Effects Control panel. Under Roughen Edges, adjust the amount of the border to increase or decrease the rough edges of the rectangle. For this one, I'm going to keep it to 20. Now, coming to the final part. Head over to the Effects, search for Crop Effect and drag it over to the rectangle graphic layer. In order to animate your highlight effect, make sure that the rectangle graphic layer is selected and your playhead is at the beginning of the clip. Then head over to the Effects Control panel under Crop Effect, increase the value beside right to 100%. Click on the stopwatch icon beside right to enter a keyframe. Now drag your playhead to the part of the timeline where you want your animation to end. After that, reduce the value of right to 0%, and that marks the ending of your animation. If you play it now, your animation might look something like this. Now in order to make the speed of the highlight animation a little bit interesting and cool, all you have to do is select both the keyframes, right-click and select Ease In. Once done, click on the drop-down beside the option right and under the last keyframe pull this part to the left to increase the speed and make it look cool. And now when you play it, you will find that it looks better than before, and this is how you can easily get the text highlight animation in Adobe Premiere Pro. If you find this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe to my channel for more, and let me know down in the comments if you have any doubts. Thanks for watching.